Scholars, it's time for math silent celebration. Yes, before we get started, you need your two worksheets. One has snakes and turtles, the other one has big boxes and number sentences. You also need your pencil. Pause the video to get your materials. All right, let's stand up and warm up our body and our brain by counting and dance. All right, let's warm up our body and our brain by standing up and dancing and counting together. Ready? Here we go.
Let's dance, sing, and count. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. Twist your body side to side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Step out front and crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. Clap and stomp left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twirl your lasso left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. We counted to 20, partner.
Great job, scholars. I hope you had a lot of fun. I definitely did. Let's keep learning. I can solve word problems to 8 with drawings and equations. Scholars, today we're going to listen to and read word problems or story problems, and we're going to figure out the answer or solve the problem with drawings and equations. So we're going to use the strategy of drawing out what's happening in the story problem so that we can write our number sentence or equation. Thumbs up if you're ready. Yes, me too. Mark, no thumbs down. Here we go. 3 airplanes were flying in the air. Scholars, act that out with your fingers. So 3 airplanes were flying in the air. 3 more airplanes came to join the flying fun. So let's add 3 more. How many airplanes were flying in the air? Yes, 6. We counted 1, 2, 3, and then we counted up 4, 5, 6. 6 airplanes. Scholars, kiss your brain. Great. More story problems. I want you to listen and I want you to create a picture in your brain. You're going to visualize the story problem. LaRobert saw 5 kittens playing in the yard. Picture those 5 kittens. 2 more kittens came over to join the game. How many kittens are in the yard now? Oh, I need to draw out the story problem so that I can solve it. Well, it says there were 5 kittens, so those are the first 5 kittens LaRobert saw. And then there were 2 more. So I have 5, and I'm going to count up 6, 7. Very good. So I'm going to write 5. Scholars, why did I write 5? Yes, because my first group had 5 kittens in it. And now what's that little symbol I need to write? Yes, a plus sign. So 5 plus, or 5 and 2. Why did I write a 2? Yeah, because of this group of kittens right there. What's the other symbol I need to write? Yeah, my equal sign. So 5 plus 2, or 5 and 2, make or equals 7 kittens. Very good, scholars. I wrote the word kittens so that I knew what we were talking about. We're not talking about 7 hamburgers, are we? No. So I needed to write 7 kittens. Very good. All right, let's picture this story problem in our head. Sebastian saw 4 birds flying in the sky. He saw 4 more birds in a tree. How many birds did he see? Oh, now we have to solve that problem. Sebastian saw 4 birds in the sky. So let me draw my 4 birds. And then he saw 4 more birds in a tree. There we go. How many birds did he see? Well, I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let me write my number sentence. What's the first number we're going to write? A 4. Very good. What are we going to write after the 4? A plus sign. Very good, scholars. So 4 plus, and then how many? 4, and then what symbol? Yes, the equal sign. So 4 plus 4 make or equals 8 birds. Very good, scholars. 8 birds. All right, you're getting the hang of this. Kiss your brains. Here's another fun story problem. 7 ethos scholars were swimming in a pool. Cameron jumped in too. How many kids are in the pool now? Ooh, scholars, it's time to draw the picture. So let me draw 7 ethos scholars. And now I need to draw one more because Cameron jumped in. So there's Cameron. How many scholars are in the pool now? So this time I'm going to use the strategy of counting my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one more. So 7, 8. Very good. Now let's write our number sentence. How many scholars did we start with? Yes, we started with 7. So 7 plus, or 7 and 1 make or equal 8 kids, or 8 scholars. Very good. Now let's practice together. There are 4 snakes sitting on the rocks. Point to those 4 snakes on your paper. Yeah. 2 more snakes slithered over. Point to the 2 snakes. Great job. How many snakes are on the rocks together? It says, put a box around all the snakes. So I'm going to draw my box. Go ahead and draw your box. Now we're going to trace the mystery box because that's where we're going to write our answer. So now we have 4 plus 2 makes how many? Well, I'm going to count the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Let's write a 6. Okay, there are 5 turtles swimming. See those cute little 5 turtles? Yeah. Then it says draw 2 more turtles that come to swim. Scholars, I'm going to draw math circles because I'm not always good at drawing turtles. How many turtles are swimming now? Well, let me put a box around all of the turtles. Go ahead and draw your box. And let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So let's draw our mystery box for our answer. And we're going to write a 7. Good job. Today is your birthday. Oh, happy birthday. You have 7 presents. That's a lot of presents. A friend brings another present. Draw the present. So I'm going to draw a square for my present. How many presents are there now? So the first thing we need to do is draw a box around all of our presents. And we're going to draw a mystery box. And I'm going to count up. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, and then one more. So 7, 8. So how many presents do we have? 8. Great job, scholars. Kiss your brains. Okay, you're going to listen and draw. There were 6 girls playing soccer. Go ahead and draw your 6 girls. I just drew stick figures. You can also draw happy faces. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Very good. A boy came to play. There's my boy. Go ahead and draw your boy or another happy face. How many children were playing soccer then? Well, I see 6 and one more is, one more is 7. So now I need to draw a box around all of my soccer players. And I'm going to trace my mystery box. So go ahead and trace your mystery box. So 6 and one more make 7. Very good. Write a 7 in your mystery box. Okay, next problem. Listen and draw. There were 3 frogs on a log. I'm just going to draw happy faces. And 5 more frogs hopped onto the log. Scholars, 10 seconds to draw your 5 more frogs. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many frogs were on the log then? Scholars, can you count all of those frogs? So 3 and 5 make how many? 3 and 5 make how many? Yeah, they make 8. Great job. So I'm going to put a box around all of my frogs. And I'm going to draw my mystery box and I'm going to write my answer in there. So 3 frogs and 5 frogs make or equals 8 frogs. Scholars, you did a great job solving word problems today or story problems. You listened to the story and you drew pictures that matched the words. You then wrote number sentences or equations that showed your answer. We also drew mystery boxes to make sure that we could find our answer quickly. I am so proud of you. Kiss your brain. And I'm going to give you a roller coaster cheer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo, woo, woo. Great job. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.